Okay. So this time, we have now the topic about compositions of functions. So let's say for example, you have F circle G. So yung composition natin represented by this notation. So you can read this as F circle G of X. And that is also written as F of G of X. And then, pag G naman, G circle F of X, that is same as G of F of X. So, how are you going to deal with composition of function? Ako, simple lang yung technique, no? Let's say, for example, meron kang F of X is equal to X plus 1. Yung G of X mo is 3X minus 1. Let's say, pinapa-find sa'yo yung F circle G of X. Okay? So, how are you going to find F circle G? So, sabi natin, this is also written as F of G of X. Ako, ang technique lang naman sa akin, yung titingin ka sa labas. No? F yung ginamit na function. Ibig sabihin, nandito yung concentration. Okay? So, X plus 1. Pero, instead na X, yung G naman ang nasa loob. No, ibig sabihin, yung value ng G, yan ang ipapalit mo doon. Ulit ha, yung G, yung nasa loob. Ito siya. Okay? So, F yung ginamit. So, ito ang concentration. But instead of X, you have to replace this by 3X minus 1 kasi yun yung nasa loob. Okay? So, ginamit yung F, kukunin mo to. So, instead of writing X plus 1, ito ngayon, papalitan mo nandyan, which is 3X minus 1. So, yung x lang, yung mga x lang naman pinapalitan. So, magiging 3x minus 1 plus 1. So, wag kakalimutan yung part ng function f. So, eto, negative 1 plus 1, 0 na to. So, the value is 3x. So, eto ngayon yung value ng f, circle g of x. Yan. Now, paano naman ma'am, if ang pinapa-find, no, ito yung A natin, yung find is G circle F. Parehas din ba yun? Okay, tingnan natin. So, G circle F can be written as G of F of X. Diba? So, again, concentration mo, G. So, ito yung G, diba? Pero, concentration lang yan. Ano yung nasa loob? Yung F. So, eto, instead na X yan, magiging ano yan? So, kakopy mo yung 3. Okay? Instead of writing X, eto yung ipapalit mo yung buong F. Diba? So, magiging times X plus 1. Okay? And then, huwag mo kalimutan pa rin, no? You have G ang ginamit natin, then minus 1. Ulit ha? So, G yung gagamitin. Ito yung 3X minus 1. But instead of X, papalitan natin ng F kasi yung F yung nasa loob. Okay? Yan. So, sisimplify mo na to. So, distribute. So, magiging 3x plus 3 and then minus 1. Okay? To simplify further, this is same as, copy mo yung 3x and then minus 3 minus 1 is 2. So, eto na ngayon yung value ng f circle g of x. Okay? Mag-additional tayo. Let's say, for example, pina-evaluate sa'yo yung G circle F of, lagyan natin ng value yung F. Let's say, negative 2. Ayan. Ano yan nahanapin? Eh, di ba ito, nahanap na natin yung G circle F of X kanina. Ito, nahanap na natin na 3X plus 2. Diba? Yan yung value. Pero, ang pinapahanap sa'yo ito. So, yung ibig sabihin, yung X, no, G circle, yung X, pinalitan mo ng negative 2. So, what does it mean? So, from here, yung X mo, papalitan mo ng negative 2. So, magiging 3 times negative 2 plus 2. So, magiging, eto, negative 6, and then plus 2. So, that is negative 4. So, that will be the value of G circle F of negative 2. Okay? So, ganun lang. Kapag may constant na naipinalit sa x. So, after finding the G circle f of x, uli mo muna, saka mo evaluate yung may constant. Okay? So, So that's the composition of function.